Hello, welcome. Today we have this box. Do you know what's inside? Let's open and see. It's a big size masseur, but the problem is not working. See, it's not working. It has a power adapter and it has a power switch. Turn it on and nothing. Connect the adapter and you can see there is something, but the adapter has also some problem. This is the main connector of this adapter, but it is faulty. So we use this one. I'll fix it. But now for fixing this machine, we are not focused on this. We will work with this later. So now we don't need the box. We only need this thing. So what we can see that it has an adapter issue. The next issue is the battery pack because it's not power up with this battery. And one another problem, this button, it should stay like this when it press and release. It should have a spring inside the tail. I think the spring is missing or they just fall out. Okay, at first I'm going to open this unit and fix this thing, and also I will see is there any problem inside the unit. It has 4 screws and we have to unscrew them. There is a broken piece. It's not a good sign. Also, this battery holder is broken. You can see we have to fix this thing somehow. I'll do it fast. I'll use this adhesive glue for fix this. At first apply them both sides, wait for 3-4 minutes, then I will press it to each other. Now it's time to put this like this. Press it tight, and I will use some hot glue around this joint so it will stay tight and fit. Now I need a super glue for fixing this thing. Okay, here is our super glue and broken plastic piece. We have to, I use this pin to apply super glue. It will help me to apply little bit glue and not to mess around. Try to put this plastic piece in the right position, then I will apply super glue. I think it's okay. After applying super glue, I will use some heat shrink tube so it will give it some extra strength to stay the broken piece together, and I will use heat shrink tube in every screw hole because I think it will give it extra strength. I can put another piece in here because it is, this one is broken and it needs extra care. Nice. Then cut the extra piece is fixed and we need some extra care of this part. For this reason we need our hot glue gun plugged in. The temperature is rising. Glue gun is ready to action. Put some glue in here, some in here, some. I think now it's okay. Now our hot glue is cold and strong enough to hold the battery without a screw. Here is the battery. It will stay in like this, and I will use some adhesive glue in here and here, small amount. This adhesive gum will make sure that in future this spring will not slip again. Now it's time to work with our battery pack. First we have to open our rubber grip. It's a 16.8 volt battery pack, but in on position here is only 0.7 volt, less than 1 volt. It's not good. Let's open this thing. I can see that here is a screw inside this hole. Screw this and see, can we open this battery pack? Yes, it's open. And there is 418650 cell. I think the batteries are not good. If you can see, we don't need this now. Nothing. I think we have to replace 4 of them. Here is our new battery pack, and now we'll solder it with our BMS. Here is battery positive. This terminal is connected. Now try to connect this terminal. I think this one is connected too, and this one, the last piece here, this one is connected too. So all of the terminals are connected to the BMS. This terminal is needs some extra care, I think. So everything is connected, and now it's time to check with our multimeter. Battery minus, first battery plus, second battery, third battery, and fourth. Everything is still okay. Now assemble it into the battery pack. Okay, turn it on and it glow green. That means it's okay. For now, what's next? unscrew this. This screw thread is also broken, but we don't care because we have this protection hold everything in. Let's see, is everything okay? I'll not turn it on. So something, yes, it works. Okay, it's time to assemble it again. Because we have some issue in this screw thread, so this part will not strong as it should be. So I use some adhesive glue in here. We need to wait few minutes and then we will attach each other. Now it's time to attach it together and screw them. If the screw thread break again, we have no problem because we use some adhesive glue in here. Now this controller part, motor is connected, and now the battery NLE. Screw it. Screw protector. Does it protect the screw or just for decoration? I don't know. Turn it on. Nice. With the attachment messaging, turn it on. Our message gun is ready, and now it's time to think about our power adapter. At first we have to tin our coil, then connect it with the connector. It should work now. Yes, working. But we have to do one thing. Cannot keep it like this. We have to make some kind of protection insulator here. Let's try to use some heat shrink tube. Okay, we can apply single layer. I will try to apply another layer of heat shrink tube. You can see, can I use third layer? So with 3 layer of heat shrink tube, it looks like this, and I think good enough. Let's see, can it charge our device? So today we fix this messenger and its charger too. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video and subscribe my channel.